What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, I do have some important things to go over with you. As you guys know, we've been tracking the fifth bull flag formation on XRP, and it is still happening today. Now, we had to tweak the charts ever so slightly to encompass the entire descending fractal that's pretty much forming on XRP's 4-hour charts within the fifth bull flag formation here. We've slowly tweaked it. Obviously, we caught on to it extremely early on. So because we were in it so early, there was lots of moving and tweaking, and there still is lots of moving and tweaking left. But I'm pretty sure by now we have it down pretty down pat. Let's just say that. So there's only a little bit more that maybe we could adjust it, but for the most part, we have a good angle as to where we're going to be moving to. Now, as you guys know, this is the fifth bull flag formation that always seems to be breaking bullish on XRP here. So we've pretty much tried to pinpoint when that breakout is coming, which is right around the last week in November. That would be in about 2 weeks now. We should see it right around, believe it or not, a few days after Thanksgiving. We should see, hopefully, the closure or the finishing touches on this 4-hour or even daily bull flag formation on XRP. Now, beyond that, looking at Ethereum, looking at Bitcoin, so on and so forth, there are some other interesting formations here that we do have to kind of go over. You can see Ethereum is breaking down below its uptrend here. Yet again, this is on the 4-hour chart, so there wasn't much supports holding it steady here. But beyond that too, we have something like Bitcoin, which is still continuing its uptrend here. So there's lots of new movements we're going to have to encompass, and charts we're going to have to change to allow for some new confirmations, or to help us better gauge where the markets are moving to. And this includes the S&P 500 as well. Pretty much all the cryptos across the board are looking extremely nice. We're going to probably see some recovery, some consolidation this week, which is definitely which is definitely a good sign. This might let us actually end. I actually want to show you guys. It ends right about, you can see on XRP right now, Monday is right here. So by Tuesday morning, we should be, or sorry, no, that's Wednesday. Right about Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll be completing this sideways movement across the descending fractal here, which is definitely a good sign. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, in an effort to give back during the holidays here, I've ordered some really cool BidFi keychains. They're actually sending it to me. I helped them customize them. And beyond that, I'm also going to be doing some Amazon gift card giveaways, hopefully pretty soon. I might start it earlier, and then BidFi is going to contribute some gift cards as well. So I might do some for my channel and then do more for BidFi, which is going to be really fun. I mean, who doesn't like some BidFi, or who doesn't like some Amazon gift cards for the holidays here? I'll probably start it maybe tomorrow. I'll probably start it Monday once I have to go get some, and then we'll go from there here. But I just want to keep you guys posted on that. It's going to be super easy. Just obviously subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and you'll be entered in that giveaway. But we're going to start it on Monday, so definitely stay tuned for that. But moving forward from here, as you guys can see, we've been tracking what appears to be kind of just consolidation over the past couple of days here. Clear as day here, you can see the markets are in a descending fractal, filling in the gap beautifully here as we are coming closer to this area that we're looking for. We need to get inside of that, and you can see moving forward, it's pretty much it's pretty much every day we've been filling it in more and more and more and more. Here's the descending fractal yet again, the bull flag on XRP. Here's the bull flag again. This was yesterday's video on XRP, and as you can see here, I said XRP Ripple holders, I know it's coming. XRP's fifth bull flag is almost complete, and that's pretty much what we're waiting on and dialing in our skills and honing in on, waiting for that time to come, waiting for the completion of that fifth bull flag before we buy in and long to the upside here. You can see across the board, fear and greed is starting to veer back. We were at like 77, I think, at peak, and now we're at 71. So we are starting to dial back, which is good on the fear and greed index, trading at 1.39. We might actually head lower or consolidate in regards to the global crypto market cap here. But you can see for the most part, we're in like some sort of consolidative period here, trading down 1%. On Bitcoin, down 3%. On Ethereum here, down 2.5% on XRP. As you can see, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are starting to skew lower, trading sideways and flatlined out, which is a good sign of opportunity to take advantage of the markets here, because as we consolidate, it's usually veering up for a bigger run to happen here. And that's what we have to go over in today's video. Now, focusing on XRP for right now, I think the main charting tweaks that we're going to have to do is on Ethereum and Bitcoin. But as you can see on XRP, we've pretty much honed in on where this kind of fifth bull flag formation is. You can see it clear as day here. We might even like add it in. Like if we get some, you know, some chartings here, we can do like one, or just write these in real quick just to show you guys what it is that we're dealing with here. Maybe change the color to, let's do I'd like to do like a light, let's do a red. I think that's good enough. So we're going to take this, and you can see here's the first one. Can we copy it? 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see here each bull flag that we've had confirmed and how we're now forming the fifth bull flag today. So we're going to change this to a 2. We're going to change this one to a 3. And you guys can clearly see what it is now that we're tracking clear as day here. This is number 4. And then this is number 5 that we're trying to complete as I'm speaking. So you guys can clearly see each of the bull flag formations. We have the clear flag pull to the upside. Here's the flag itself. Here's the breakout. Here's the second flag pull to the upside. Here's the flag itself. Here's the breakout. Flag pull to the upside. Flag itself. Breakout. Number 4, flag pull to the upside. Flag pull, the flag itself. Breakout. And that was the big one that took a lot longer to consolidate. Here we are on the 5th one. Flag pull, here's the flag itself. Then we're looking for breakout. So as you guys can see, this is what we're completing today. The 5th bull flag as it's starting to confirm itself. It looks beautiful. It's right on track. We've been tracking this for who knows how long, literally since the start back beginning or the first week into November. We were actually tracking the descending fractal here forming. We were saying this is it. This is the 5th bull flag formation here. Once we get closer right around here, that's when I would suspect to see a breakout. But obviously it can happen much sooner than that. Do I think it's going to happen sooner than that? No. But really, at any point we close the daily above this yellow downtrend here, that's the opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here. We close above this, buy in and long to the upside. Close above this, buy in, long to the upside here. Every single time, day after day after day, after consolidating, we need to wait for this breakout above yellow to buy in and long. Why? Because as you can see, history has always prevailed. Retesting that blue band ends in a bullish breakout right around that level here. Sometimes we get close. Inevitably, we end up retesting at some point or another. You can see clear as day on number 3, right around there on number 4. So here we are looking for number 5 right on moving average, right on uptrend. Everything is aligning perfectly. So this is truly what we're waiting for. Now, this weekend is probably just going to be more so consolidation. You can see clear as day here that there's not much movement going on, and we pretty much just fell to retest bottom support. So now we're probably going to stagnate sideways, fall again, stagnate, then break out. That's the ideal goal that I'm looking for here. So that means we're probably going to see a lot of consolidation over the next couple days within XRP specifically. Now, can you capitalize on the drop? Yeah. But more so, the conservative route would be waiting for here, then buying and long. But if you want to play it aggressive, right here for a short is definitely coming soon. Now, obviously, you could take advantage of all these trades on BidFi. That's where we take advantage of XRP leverage trading using the BidFi exchange. This is my #1 favorite cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly want in an exchange is offered on BidFi, including, like I said, the take profits, the leverage trading, so on and so forth, XRP leverage trade, tons of other cryptocurrencies. They're even offering a sign-up bonus to new users who decide to sign up with the link down in the description below. You can earn up to $2,888 completely free with that link down in the description below. So make sure to sign up ASAP. Now, moving forward from XRP, since we know that's going to be exploding to the upside, I'm actually going to start to tweak the Ethereum chart here. I think we're starting to see more so like a descending fractal than anything else, something along the lines of that. Now, obviously, things are going to change once I confirm the daily. You can see this more so would look like that. But when we jump to the 4-hour, you can see we're starting to trend above it here. But for the most part, this is pretty accurate if you ask me. I think this is pretty accurate here. And you can see that we're filling in the gap, lower high, lower lows, coming into contact with the moving average. But this is kind of the next fractal that's forming here. We typically have these symmetrical triangles form or some sort of fractals forming like that. But this is just another way to gear where exactly Ethereum's moving to, which is just lower highs and lower lows until we hit some sort of bottom. We should start a reversal. But again, the way these markets are trading, it's sitting ducks. Just be patient and allow it to trend out. We need a little more time under the belt for these technical indicators to kind of complete themselves before we do any sort of crazy trades. Let it play out first, and then we can take advantage of, of Ethereum and of these opportunities. Same thing goes with Bitcoin. Let Bitcoin play out. On the daily, we're pretty much just traded sideways. We're going to tweak this up a little bit here, and you can see for the most part, we are in a higher low uptrend here. That looks really good, and you can see where we've pretty much confirmed top resistance here. So with this charting here, this is what we're looking at. We're probably going to consolidate into here. Then we'll see, are we going to be breaking down or are we going to be breaking up? If we can confirm a closure above this price ceiling, we can buy in the long. If we can break below support here, we can buy in short. And honestly, the way these things are set, this is more likely to happen is a dump. Could it break up? Of course, but I mean, more so, I would suspect to see a correction to the downside. As for the S&P 500, which is doing absolutely incredible things, if you ask me, maybe we can tweak this chart ever so slightly. I don't think there's much more we need to do, but just to make things look a little bit more accurate. I mean, this is it. This is what we're looking at right here, clear as day. So this is pretty much that chart that we had. And then I think we're going to be continuing the breakout. So we're already overbought. So that's going to land us in some sort of consolidation, which is what we're having. You can see why we're hitting turbulence right now because we're nearing the overbought market here. But again, probably going to land in consolidation, and then we'll be followed by a continued run to the upside. So I'm excited across the board. I think everything's bullish. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.